Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we'll be doing an unboxing of a Netgear ARLO Pro 2, two wireless free HD security cameras. And this is the adjustable indoor-outdoor mount. Let's go ahead and start with the mount. Alright, just have basically some manuals here, warranty manuals, paperwork. Ooh, let's see what's in here. Accessories, nice. Some more paperwork, manuals. Here's a video monitoring in progress. Oh, I like this. It's a sticker. Okay, that's about it. Here it is. Here's the mount, the hardware. That's about it. Does this extend? Or yeah, it does. Oh, look at that. It's kind of like a screw. No, actually it does not extend. I thought it did. Oh, so you just move this, loosen it up, and then however you want to position your camera to be, then you can just tighten it up, and that's it. Huh. Alright. Well, that's what that's for. Now let's go for the security cameras. Here's one right here as well. Start with this first. Oh, it's really light. Kind of feels like it's an empty shell. It's very, very light. So this is the base with the speaker, or I would say the siren speaker. Has the power on and off switch, Ethernet, 2 USBs, and the reset button. That's about it. Oh, and then on top is the sync siren off button. Nice. It's basically like works as a modem. Then here's some more paperwork, some stickers, ARLO quick start guide. Let me take this out. There it is. Power adapter here, power cord. This is a mini USB cord, I believe, so if you want you can have it plugged into your cameras, that way you don't have to use the batteries. Mounting hardware. And here are the two mounts. Very light as well. Wow. I'm surprised. They kind of seemed or looked heavier online, but yep, that's basically what they are. There you go. Alright. Here are the two batteries. I'll take them out of the bag a little later. This is simply just an unboxing so you can know exactly how it comes in the package. Here's the other battery, and here's the Ethernet cord that you plug in from your base here to your modem. That way it's hooked up to the internet. And let me open up this camera here. I'll open this one up. There you go. Wow, it looks very, very nice. And again, this is the ARLO Pro 2, so it's their latest from Netgear. This is where you hook up the mini USB in case you want to have it powered and not use the battery. There you go. And then that is where you can screw on your wall mount. It's an option, definitely. And then this is where, oh wow, that's very strong. That is very, very strong. This is definitely gonna hold on very, very good. I like it. It's, wow, it literally just kind of ripped it off of my hands. Okay, and then let's put this down. There you go. Okay, so you press this button down and that's where the battery goes. Nice. That's it. Has a microphone speaker down here for two-way talk and the sync button on top. And this is basically just another box of the same exact camera. Alright guys, this is it, your unboxing. I hope you appreciate it, I hope you liked the video, and we'll see you on the next video. See you next time.